This is Teacher Julie, and of course, by my side, we have Teacher Jasmine. So for today, we will be having our new topic. We will talk about geometric sequence. But today, we will be having a twist. Magbinisaya ko karon para masabtan ko ninyo. Okay. So before ko magbisaya, we have to know first what's the meaning of a geometric sequence. Geometric sequence. It is a sequence whose next term is obtained by multiplying a constant number called the common ratio. Yes, kung ato na siyang Englishon, lisod kay pagsabot, samot na og Bisaya ta. So in Bisaya, ingani na siya. Parihas daw kuno nga number ang i-times aron makuha ang sunod nga term. Matawag daw nato ng geometric sequence. Sige daw, example. 3, 6, 12, 24, so on and so forth. Is this a geometric sequence? Take note, matawag nato ni siyang geometric sequence kung parihas ang number nga gimultiply aron makuha ang sunod nga term. So in this case, pilay atong gimultiply sa 3 nga nahimo man siyang 6. Pilay atong gimultiply sa 6 nga nahimo man siyang 12. Pilay atong gimultiply sa 12 nga nahimo man siyang 24. Aron matawag nato siyang geometric sequence. Very good. In our first term, which is 3, we multiply or gitimesan na nato ang atong first term by 2. Nigawas ang answer nga 6. And that is our second term. O ang atong second term pod, gitimesan ra po nato nagparihas nga number which is 2. Nigawas ang atong third term which is 12. Og ang ato ang fourth term, kaning atong third term, gitimesan gihapon nato og 2, nigawas ang atong fourth term nga 24. Tan-awa, parihas ang number nga gitimes aron mugawas ang sunod nga term. If that is the case, then this sequence is what we call a geometric sequence. And og kaning parihas nga number nga gitimes, muo kanay gitawag nga common ratio. So ang atong ratio sa example number 1 nato kay 2. Kay kana ang number nga gitimes aron makuha ang sunod nga term. Okay. If I will be asking what will be the next term of our sequence 3, 6, 12, 14? What will be our next term if I have here blank? You got it right. We just multiply 24 by, of course, by the common ratio which is 2. And we get our answer which is, very good, we get our answer which is 48. And so on and so forth. Kana siya kung kabalo ka mutag na diretsyo sa pariunsa nga number, parihas nga number nga gimultiply aron makuha ang sunod nga term. Kung maglisod ka, ingani ra ang pinakasayon. Para mahibal-an nato diretsyo ang common nga ratio, ang atong buhaton ning anira, kanang ikaduhang term, i-divide nimo na siya sa first term. So, we'll have second term divided by our first term. Ang answer nga mugawas anang 6, i-divide nimo sa 3, mugawas na siyang answer nga 2. Ang tawag diri common ratio. So dapat magparihas na ang ila ang ratio. Unya 2 pa may atong hibalan. So atong kwaon ang third term, i-divide nato sa second term. Since ang atong third term kay 12, i-divide nato siya sa atong second term nga 6. Mo answer gihapon siya og 2. Buot pasabot. Parihas sila og ratio. They have a constant number, so they have a common ratio. Automatically, we call this one as our geometric sequence. And the ratio automatically is 2. What about if the same situation or the same sequence and you are asked to find the 10th term? What will you do? If that is the case, we will be using our formula. So I want you to familiarize our formula. A sub n, of course, last term. A sub 1 is the first term, the r is the ratio, and the number n there refers to the number of terms. So, before we are going to use our formula, we have to identify first our given. So, atong ilailahon kinsay kay mga given nato. We'll get first our a sub 1 or our first term. So, what is our first term? Of course, kanang una nga term makita, that's our first term. What is our common ratio? Very good. We have discussed this already. Our common ratio is 2. We divide our second term by first term, so that's why we get our answer, which is 2. And n here refers to the number of terms. Since we are asked to find the 10th term, therefore, our n here is equals to 10. And a sub n, that refers to the last term, we don't know yet what is our last term because we still have to find for the 10th term. So that will be question mark. With this given, then we are now ready to solve for the 10th term of our geometric sequence. First, apply our formula. Our formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. First step, as always, substitute the given. So since we don't have a sub n, or our last term, so we just copy a sub n, equals, our first term, of course, is 3. So we substitute that one by 3. Our r, of course, substitute that one by 2. We'll put parentheses to emphasize that it has an exponent. So our n here is 10, so we substitute 10 minus 1. And this is how we substitute our given from our formula. Okay, so pagkahuman nato og substitute, we have to simplify according to PEMDAS. O sige, kana na pong PEMDAS. Buot pasabot, isimplify nimo una ang nakasulod sa parentheses, musunod dayon ang exponent from the word P, parentheses. Sunod E, exponents, anha ka makamultiply, followed by division, addition, and subtraction. So that's what we call. So in this case, we have to simplify first those inside our parentheses. But in here, 2 is raised to the power of 10 minus 1. So we have to simplify first our exponent here. So this will become, copy a sub n, equals 3 times 2, simplify 10 minus 1, that will become 2 raised to the power of 9. Simplify first 2 raised to the power of 9 before you can do multiplication, because in PEMDAS rule, we do first exponents. Unahon nato ang naay exponents. So, this is no longer a sub n. This is a sub 10 or the 10th. I now 2 raised to the power of 9 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 9 times. Sa Bisaya pa, i-times nimo, siyam ka 2 rather. So, that will become 512. After that one, since there's no more exponents, then we can proceed with multiplication. So, our a sub 10, or our last term, we will be multiplying now 3 times 512. And that will give us, yes, 1,536. Meaning, 1,536 is the 10th term of our geometric sequence, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and so on and so forth. Questions? Nasabtan? That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, I still have lots of Bisaya, so watch out for our next videos on Bisaya version. So thank you, and please don't forget guys to please like and subscribe.